Guys, we just had a massive pump for Dogecoin. We're currently in a healthy corrections phase, which is completely normal for a very strong bull run like we've had. I'll also be doing a technical analysis towards the end of the video, so you're going to want to stick around until the end to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. What's up guys, I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in. I let you guys know that I'm buying in so that you guys can buy in as well. I then wait for a steep peak, that rare time when we've made at least 20 to 30% profits in a short amount of time, and I let you guys know that I'm selling as well so that you guys can sell or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. If you want to trade cryptos tax-free, use my I Trust Capital link in the top pinned comment. If you know Dogecoin is headed to the moon, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Also, ring the bell because you don't want to miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Guys, just as you see on the charts, with our inverse head and shoulders, right here, the head, the shoulder, and the shoulder, we pumped just after that. With that double bottom, I called out that huge play, and of course it happened. And now, as I said, we're now on that bull run once again. We're in that healthy uptrend, and guys, we have a lot of green days to look forward to now. So if you got in when I called it out, just at 19 cents, guys, we've already made a lot of profit. And congratulations to everybody who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we have made a lot of profits. Guys, you don't want to sell if we get a huge dip after a bull run. It's completely healthy. What you want to do is wait for my trade alert, because I see the signs, I see the symbols, and I see when we hit that steep dip, that rare time to buy in, and you want to have cash on the side for that. You want to buy the dips a little at a time. You don't want to get scared, panic sell, have paper hands, and sell for less than you bought in for. Never, because it'll always go right back up. Whales want you to sell at that dip. They want you to have paper hands and get out so they can make more money. They try to put out that FUD, that fake news, to make the price go down, to drive the price downwards, both if they're shorting and if they just want to get in at a very low price. And we've seen those clear signs of market manipulation, as I've gone over in my previous videos, just over the past 72 hours. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. I personally don't think we're ever going to see a bottom like we saw just within the past few days. At 16.5 cents, that was a huge dip, a steep, rare time to buy in. Now guys, I don't think we're going to be seeing that again, but it's still the perfect time to get in. We're still in the infancy stages of Dogecoin, of cryptocurrencies, still before the mass adoption, before all companies, all businesses, all institutions accept Dogecoin and crypto. When the whales put out this fake news to scare people to have paper hands and sell out, guys, they do this so they can get in. They don't want to keep doing this. They want the price to go up. They want to drive that Dogecoin crypto price up so they can sell at a good price as well. So we have a lot of green days and green candlesticks to still look forward to. The Dogecoin developer actually did a test stream on Twitch to show and prove the reduced transaction fees that have been updated on the latest Dogecoin update. It was very successful, and Elon Musk was in on this. Guys, they're going to continue to reduce the fees and work on the update, and it will be released very soon, causing more mass adoption, causing the price of Dogecoin to go up, and you want to get in before this update. Guys, Bitcoin is currently in the accumulations phase. Now, this is relating to market manipulation, with the whales driving the price up and down. However, we are currently towards the end of that accumulation phase, so you should expect for Bitcoin price to go up, and when Bitcoin price goes up, the rest of the cryptocurrency market goes up along with it. With enough accumulation, enough trading sideways, and enough consolidation, guys, it's inevitable for a breakout to the upside. The Wyckoff accumulation thesis is what we apply to this exact chart of Bitcoin we are currently experiencing, and that's how I know with that exact bullish symbol that we are headed up. You want to be waiting for my trade alert as to when the perfect time is to get into Dogecoin, to get into Bitcoin, because like I said, we're about to have a massive breakout to the upside. A huge Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoin expiration is coming. Futures contracts are expiring. When those expire on Friday, guys, expect to see a big green day on Saturday. There's still a lot of volatility in the market. With that volatility, it gives you that chance to get in at that steep dip and then sell at a peak, because it happens so often. Because the options, the futures contracts are expiring this Friday, the whales could come out with more fake news to drive the price down. That'll make the perfect time to get in, and then on Saturday, with a green day, we could very well sell out with massive profits. We also could potentially be looking at a short squeeze for Dogecoin, which I will be keeping you guys up to date on. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description below. With that link, if you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Also, if you want to trade cryptos tax-free, you can use my link in the top pinned comment as well, called I Trust Capital. And guys, as we look at the charts, just as I called out with that double bottom, as we can see here, we bottomed out here, we bottomed out here as well. Sometimes when we get a third bottom, a triple bottom, we can have an even bigger bounce. However, this time we still see that it bounced very hard. It's going straight up from here, guys. Lots of green candlesticks, more green candlesticks than red candlesticks, so you want to be ready with some cash on the side. Guys, we're currently sitting at 24 cents. Our next level of resistance is 25 cents. Guys, we're almost there. Just after that, I think hitting 30 cents won't be out of the question in a very short period of time. In the next week or two, expect to see our next level of resistance being at 40 cents, which is not out of the question. Guys, we also have Elon Musk's birthday coming up on the 20th. Who knows, he might tweet something out to make the Dogecoin price go up. It wouldn't surprise me. So getting in before his birthday at these low prices isn't a bad choice. Guys, if you haven't yet joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in. I let you guys know that I'm buying in so that you guys can buy as well. I then let you guys know when I'm ready to sell at that steep peak shortly after so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.